bright sunny day, the ant was roaming around in the forest in search of water to quench his thirst. After walking for a very long time, he came across a river. Finally, I can drink some water from this lake. As soon as he bent down and drank some water, he suddenly slipped and fell through the river. And then he cried and held for the water force is so strong that he was swept away. He shouted and cried for help. Sadly, nobody heard him. And then a flying dove saw the ant was struggling. The dove stopped on a nearby tree and plucked a leaf and threw it nearby the ant. The ant saw it and immediately climbed on it. Thanks to the leaf, the ant made it reach the shore. The ant thanked the dove, and the dove flew away. The ant too walked happily through the forest. After a few hours, when the ant was walking around, he sees a strange man who was holding a gun and the ant realized that the man was a hunter and trying to aim at someone. And the hunter was trying to aim at his friend who saved his life. "Oh no, I gotta do something," said the ant. When the hunter was ready to fire, the ant ran and quickly stung the hunter's heels. And then the hunter cried in pain and missed the target. The sound was so loud that the dove immediately flew away. The ant too walked happily through the forest.
Oh,